Headed today to go look at a truck. So we're taking a little bit different of a route. I mean, I guess at the ending part here, we're on the highway now. There is an accident up ahead apparently, which you guys know how I love accident traffic, because I just go be right down the center. I don't sit for that shit. But that's what we're doing now. You can see it is coming to a dead stop up here. Oh yeah. We're just gonna scoot on by here. I'm gonna chill behind this guy for a little while, which I do not recommend doing. But so we're going to check it out today, and if all goes well, I am going to be making the purchase in between Wednesday and Friday of this week. Just depends. Just depends. Yeah, I can't. Hey, Miata. That thing is sick. I think I saw that the other day. That little roll-caged Miata. So yeah, accidents are always fun. This says we need to go right up here. I'm assuming, you know what? We're gonna scoop-de-doo over here, which I probably shouldn't have done. I can see the tow truck lights now. I'm gonna try not to get hit. Yep, there's the policers. The Mexico police. If you guys, now I need to get over there. Yeah, he's let's see what holy shit, I hope he's okay. Hopefully he's okay. Just gonna sneak on in over here. But yeah, hopefully that guy's okay. If we go that way, it's like 9 minutes longer. Slower, whatever you want to say. So we got about 26 minutes to go and we will be there. So we're going to explore some other bit of highway, and we'll get back to you when I get there. Hey you guys, hey, I'm back. Hey, check this thing out. That's freaking cool. So about 22 minutes left. We aren't going too crazy today. As you can see from our shadow, we do got a passenger. And everybody loves to just chill in the left lane for some reason. It'll give you the wall of shame. So we're just casually cruising at, like, you know, a standard pace. I mean, if someone's blatantly just chilling in the left, whatever, you know, we'll go around, but like, I'm not doing anything super crazy today. All right, let's sneak our way through here. All right. If it was just be by myself, I'd totally take that. Bam! Right around them. This is my playground. There's a big enough gap here. Yeah, this highway is always just a shit show. They careful around here. Oh, it looks like we got another accident up here. I mean, we're only 20 minutes away, which isn't too bad, but I just want to kind of, you know, open road, cruise. Florida. Left lane. Look at that view. Damn, son. Woo! There's plenty of room there. You guys saw that. Woo! Always gotta be prepared for that shit. Yeah, I ain't sitting in that. Anybody who moves over to let me like through blatantly, I give them a wave. I appreciate some people. Whee! Yeah, this highway's always like fucked. I know I said that earlier, but it's always fucked. See, like he could come over. Just gotta be careful around here. See, that guy's turning. I see a turn signal. I'm just gonna go. Whee! I ain't sitting in none of this. I gave him a wave. Don't worry, fellers. Oh, I love that. I picked up a car there before towing. I used to drive a little wrecker down here in Mexico. What is that? What is that? What's that say on there? I gotta see that. Is that a cop? Oh, it's UPMC. Okay, cool. I don't gotta worry about that. Paramedics. I was like, what is that? I ain't never seen one of them purple things that look like cop cars. You know what? We're gonna go back to normal now. I don't need to be flying through here. This is such a sketchy spot too. Cause there's like a left exit up here, so like everybody's like in and out and whatnot. God damn. Like I'm in his blind spot, he comes over, bam, dead, certain death, all of it. Am I getting the right lane? Door. Oh, that's an old lady. Whee! Y'all want to see me do a wheelie? Just kidding. That ain't gonna happen. If anybody has any bikes y'all want me to try out, like I'd love to get some experience on some other bikes. Cause like I'm so used to just riding a sport bike around, and I got used to those Harley 500s for the 2 days I got to ride it on the track. That was fun. But like, I'd love to give like a different style of bike a ride. It's like, you know, if anybody has one they'd like to try, send an email. Send me, I don't know, leave me a comment. I'll give you my contact info and whatnot. Look at that. That color. A Prius! Oh, they are so slow. These guys ride like dicks. Drive like dicks. Speed her up. Submerge. Yo, look at that tractor. Is that whistling diesel? Yeah, I can't. That's sick. Hell yeah. Look at that ladder. That could fly out and then bam, sudden death. Said no crazy, funny business today. Just good, smart riding etiquette. 10 minutes away. Damn, we're gonna be way early. I told the dude 5. When you have a bike, there's no such thing as traffic. Look at that. Any of these cars, I'm gonna swing way left because any of these cars could pull out. Any of them. We're gonna just smooth right in here in front of everybody. Then we're gonna go down here. That used to be a whole thing right there. You see that greenness? That used to be a whole entrance ramp. And the traffic was so bad. Now everybody just fucking crunches at the last minute. Alright. That saves so much time though, I'll tell you what. Just being able to cut through traffic. Like that in itself. More people need to get bikes. But y'all gotta ride safely.